Hello amazing friends, come gather near, a sparkling new story is ready right here. Bluey wakes early, her tail full of cheer, a special surprise is waiting this year. The town feels alive, the banners fly high, colors and music light up the sky. Bluey walks fast, her paws tap the ground, excitement is building, adventure is found. Then suddenly, oh! She gasps in delight, a famous mouse steps into sight. Mickey Mouse waves with a grin so wide, Bluey's eyes sparkle with joy inside. Hello there, Bluey, Mickey says sweet, would you like a picture? Let's make this neat. Bluey jumps up, her ears point tall, she can't believe this moment at all. Mickey adjusts his big round ears, Bluey barks happy, forgetting her fears. They pose together, side by side, the camera clicks with shining pride. The crowd gathers close, the cheers grow loud, Bluey and Mickey smile at the crowd. And dear friends watching, before we go far, like this video and subscribe my channel, you're the star. The photographer laughs, one more, say cheese. Bluey and Mickey freeze with ease. Bluey holds still, her tail sways slow, Mickey throws peace signs, stealing the show. Flash after flash, the pictures look grand, memories captured, hand in hand. Bluey twirls round, her joy overflows, Mickey claps loudly, excitement shows. Then Bluey says, let's try something fun. A silly face pose, let's shock everyone. They cross their eyes, they puff their cheeks, the kids all giggle, laughter peaks. Mickey whispers soft, this feels so right, a friendship shining in the light. Bluey nods fast, her heart beats true, she's made a friend she never knew. The sun climbs high, the moment feels warm, together they've made a magical form. Not just a photo, but joy to keep, a treasure to hold, a memory deep. As the day drifts on, the photo's done, Bluey and Mickey still have fun. They chase balloons, they play pretend, the laughter continues, it has no end. But soon the time comes to wave goodbye, the evening paints the purple sky. Bluey hugs Mickey, her smile so wide, thanks for the moment, right by my side. Mickey waves back, his gloves shine bright, keep dreaming, Bluey, your heart's the light. Bluey feels proud, her spirit anew, she shares her joy with all of you. So friends who listen, both far and near, your laughter and smiles we treasure dear. Come back again for adventures true, Bluey will always dance with you.